Apple dropped the iPhone 17 this week with all the usual fanfare with new design, new features, new delays. Welcome to GadInsider, your latest tech update hub. Just as the dust was settling, Google swooped in with a fresh episode of its hilarious #Best Phones Forever series. And this time, it's not pulling any punches. Titled Generation Gap, the new short takes place in a bizarre carnival setting where Pixel finds iPhone buried in a pile of chicken feed. Why? Because iPhone's trying to teach chickens to sing and turtles to run a bank. Yes, seriously. Pixel is understandably confused until it realizes what's going on. iPhone's mistaken AI-generated videos by Gemini for things Pixel actually did. Cue the friendly mocking. Pixel gently points out that those singing chickens and banking turtles are AI creations, not real-world experiments. A jab at Apple's slower rollout of its own Apple Intelligence features. Google then delivers the ultimate punchline. When iPhone's plans run afoul, Pixel promptly generates some helpful advice. The episode is a cheeky but pointed reminder that Apple's AI is still playing catch-up. While the iPhone 17 introduced live translations and a new liquid glass design, the promised AI magic remains mostly under wraps or delayed yet again. Meanwhile, Pixel continues flexing its Gemini-powered muscle. Google's #Best Phones Forever may be playful, but make no mistake, because the shade is very real. And in this game of phone thrones, Pixel's AI seems to be running laps around Apple's ambitions. Do you think Pixel's social media team deserves a raise? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.